Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone on Snapchat. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to go on Snapchat, okay? And once you're in Snapchat, let's say this is one of my friends. He is blocked, okay? He is blocked, okay? He's right now blocked. I can't access him, and I want to unblock him. So how you can do this is you can go onto your bit emoji over here in the top left corner. Then you're going to click on the settings icon. From the settings icon, you're going to scroll all the way down, down, okay, until something called blocked. You're going to click on blocked, and you're going to see all the people that you have blocked. As you can see, there's one of my friends that I just blocked, and I'm going to click on the X, and it's going to give us, are you sure you want to unblock the Snapchatter? You're going to click on yes. Now, you have unblocked him, but the thing is, about blocking someone is that you need to add him back, okay? So I'm going to search for him again, okay? So I'm going to search for his name, okay? And as you can see, there he is. I'm going to add him back, and basically, I have added my friend back. He's going to accept it, and once he's accepted it, now we're back at friends, and I blocked him again. So yeah, this is how basically you can unblock someone. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.